Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do unbox and review video for BRUSTRO DIY acrylic markers. I got them from a local Reliance Fine Art store for 12.99 rupees. You can buy them from Amazon and the Creative Hand website also. In this pack you get 12 shades which are water based. They are waterproof and they are very opaque, they dry very fast, and they don't have any odor, which is very nice. These all details you get in the front of the package also, and in the back of the package you get all other details which all surfaces you can use these colors and the shade names as well. Price is $12.99 and you can buy them from Amazon and Creative website. They launched them in 2015, so we are very late for this review. Once you get the package, each and every color will be on a plastic sheet wrapping. You have to take it out, and then the nib also will be blank. You have to press them multiple times, then the ink will come out, and this is how you use them. They feel very sturdy. So let's swatch them quickly in white and black surface so that you can see how they look on both the surfaces. So like this you have to press them multiple times, and don't forget to shake them before using them. As you can see, the colors are very prominent on black surface. They dry very quickly, and after drying they are completely matte and you can't see any brush strokes, any sketch pen strokes on them. Some of the colors are not working properly because I bought them long back, but I haven't got time to use them, so yeah. And some colors are little bit transparent, but you can layer them up, so that is not an issue, or maybe that is just because I haven't used them. I really like the pastel colors. They are very in nowadays and it's very convenient to use them for DIY projects. You can use them. You can see the swatches now. I have used them in this tiny glass bottle. You can see how good they are looking. They are like flawless and matte. The white part I have done with the Sakura jelly roll pen. Plus I have painted my phone cover long back with these colors, so they were spreading out a little bit, so I have given a transparent nail paint coat on top of that. Now we are going to do a quick painting with this so that you can see the real-time performance of these colors. So as you can see, I don't have to put any pressure on these colors. The ink comes out so easily, and they are so opaque. You don't have to layer them up. They look so nice. They are drying very fast. I'm using a light color to give some kind of shade. After finishing it, this is how it looks. You can see the colors are very opaque and the finish is matte and they look so great. As you can see, even when I'm scratching it is not coming out, so that is a very good thing about these colors. You can do some very permanent kind of artworks. And I haven't done anything like a very big project with these colors, but if I do it, I will definitely share with you guys. You can paint your phone covers, paint your glasses and plastics and everything. Even the paper, it looks very nice. See, even if I'm scratching it now also, it's not coming out. So this is the best part about these colors. So do let me know if you like the video, if this video is helpful for you in any way. And if you are going to do any project with them, just share your work with me and I'll be happy to share that